getting a little water out there today. Not quite sure how much it's rained, but it's getting deep. The road's pretty well covered up. I drove through it a few minutes ago coming in. Maybe 3 or 4 inches deep. I don't know if I want to drive through it if it's any deeper. That's it.